Welcome back to my channel Home Lifestyle and Decor. Today I am here to show you how you can make this gorgeous, classy and elegant champagne glasses. Just watch this video and follow the simple step-by-step instructions if you would like to make this exclusive glasses yourself. You will need a pair of champagne glasses, white half fuzz beads, small fabric flowers, glue and the silver glass outliner for this pair. To start with, paste the white flowers on the glass using glue in the pattern shown here or as per your own design. You may buy the small flowers from Amazon. I'll share the link in the description below. Or you can prepare these flowers from satin ribbons also. Next, draw some small patterns beside the pasted flower line with the silver glass paint outliner. Now it's time to add the pearl beads on the pattern. Fix them randomly on the design using glue. It adds to the classy look of the champagne glass. You can buy these beads also from Amazon. I'll share the link again. And at the last we will add some pattern with the silver glass outliner on the stem and base of the glass. And the exclusive gorgeous champagne glasses are ready. Let's see one more style. For this pair I have used a leftover fabric with 3D flowers on it, and with this pink flowers golden glass outliner will look great. Rest of the steps remain same. For this pair I'll keep the stem plain and add a pale pink ribbon or net to balance the pink fabric on the glass, and it will give a modern unique appeal. Hope you love these glasses. Do stay tuned for more such inspirations for your home. Do subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any of the update. Thank you.
Bye.